Hi, this is Sara Mattson-Blume here at Lily's Ink Pad, and I am going to make a quick video just showing you how to make a watermark in Canva. Once you log into canva.com, this is the screen you get. You get all these options for how big you want your project. You can click and pick and decide. I usually choose the smallest thing I can find that's pre-made. In this case, I chose the large rectangle ad, and later I will make it smaller to fit the project better, because I really want it to be the size, of a few hundred pixels each side. So you can see me looking around and see how much they are. At least I think that's what I picked. We'll find out. All right, and then here's the screen that shows. Well, my computer is moving slow because I was recording. So here's my workspace. Okay, so I go over to text and I pick my text. I've already decided that my Lily Inkpad texts are these texts. At first I was going to make it say Lily's Inkpad, so you can just type away. But I changed it to my name because I forgot that's what I wanted. Then I'm just moving them around where I want. Alright, so here's Sara Mattson-Blume. Now it's way too big. It fills up the whole space, so I can go up and change my size. That's a good width. Now I'm going to get another text box. I find it easier to work with multiple text boxes. Someday I will. Okay, and there is, my created by, and I have to decide where to put that. And so basically all I'm doing is making the text in black on white. I keep changing the sizes and playing around and, putting it where I want. Okay, so I sped this part of the video up because I don't want this video to be long, and watching me type is boring. So all I did was type and move it around and place my things where I wanted them. I didn't really care about the space on the bottom. I'm going to take care of that in a minute. I just wanted my words to be the way I wanted them. Now I went over to the search bar and I typed in swirl, and I got a swirl I like. And now I'm playing around with the size. It kind of went wonky on me for a minute. So I could add it to just add a little graphic. What I forgot to do is make it white later. I thought it automatically did, but be aware that you have to make them white at the end. But I just played around for a bit, added my swirls. I copied it with Control-C, and then I flipped it to make two of them. But I messed up a few times, deleting. There we go. Flipped it, move it over. Oop, shrunk it. So the next step is to make all the writing and the images white. And in Canva, what I did, I Controlled A to select everything, and then but that didn't give me access to everything. So then I had to click on one area, and I clicked it to white, and then I decided to click on the other, and that was hard to see. So I decided to change my background so I could see it, and then Canva automatically changed all my stuff to white. How cool is that? So that was kind of neat. It's already done. Otherwise, I could have added a background and changed all the colors individually, but I didn't have to because it was all white. So now is where you have to get picky and try to make the size what you want. and I went up to File, Change Dimensions, and I made it just 100 in the second box, and that made it smaller. Then I made my enlarged my image to fit because it changes the size of everything. I just clicked on the corner and drug it over, and then I have it all set. Except for I didn't like that the images of Stampin' Up was squished into the other stuff, so I rearranged that. That happened when I resized it. Sorry about that. Because I was recording, it wouldn't go exactly where I wanted to. My computer didn't have enough working memory to go fast. But there you go, there's my image, right? So now I go up to download and I hit that transparent background dot, which will get rid of the black when I save it. So there it is, saving, saving, saving. They always give you a little saying. And on the back I get, well, most computers, you get it downloaded, it'll show up on the bottom of your screen as a download, and so I'm using Google, and so I just scooped it right back up and put it in my uploads file, so I had it, so I could show you that it worked. Otherwise you could save it to your desktop and then slide it over to your files. Here's how I add it to a picture. I just get a social media square because that's my favorite. You can do what you want. And then it's just going slow. And then I go down to uploads and I put my card creation in there. And usually I crop stuff and make it cute, but I was just showing it. So all I do is drag my Sara Mattson-Blume over. It just had a little trouble and got two of them. So I got rid of one. And then I can put it where I want exactly. And then if I want to make it transparent, I go over to that transparency button. And I can make it light or dark, light or dark, light or dark. However I want it to show up on whatever kind of card it is. And there it is, all done. Enjoy.